Hi, my name's Maddison and the Maker project that I have decided to create is a book using an application called Book Creator. The book will be written on one of Australia's neighbouring countries. Throughout the lesson, students will learn how to use a range of technologies, such as laptops, iPads, and applications like Book Creator. Students will also learn how to edit for meaning and find important information within a text. Students will also learn how to work collaboratively alongside another student. The Maker project aligns with meaningful learning, the 5 different stages of meaningful learning. Active. Students are required to work by themselves in the class lessons or to do work in pairs to complete the end product. By doing the hands-on activities and by using a range of technologies to produce the end product, they are actively learning. Constructive. Students are building upon their prior knowledge of different technologies and writing skills. Students will learn further about the application Book Creator and improve their researching skills. Authentic. Students will need to take responsibility for their own learning when working in pairs to complete the end product. Although students will work alongside their partner and collaborate with them to create the end product. Intentional. The lessons and end product was designed to intentionally teach students about the countries that neighbour Australia in detail and to expose students to new technologies. Students will be aware of what is required to achieve and complete the end product. Cooperative. As students are working as a pair to complete the end product and present their product, they will be working cooperatively alongside their partner. This can also build students' confidence as when they are presenting their end product to their peers. Throughout the Move Maker project, there will be a range of technologies used. In the early stages of the project, students will need to be researching information to write about their book. In these lessons, students will be using their iPad, laptop, or computer to conduct the research. Once the research is complete, students will start to write their book on Book Creator. Again, they will be using an iPad, computer, or laptop, but they will be also using the application Book Creator. Once completing their book, this class will then need to present their book to their peers. By doing this, the students have a choice. They can either use the smartboard and have the book on the board, or they can have a printed version. If they choose to use the smartboard, that is another technology that the students will be using. By using technologies throughout the project, students will be able to improve their researching skills. They will be able to take their learning more independently and have a little bit of self-motivation as they are the ones that are completing the tasks. It's always exciting using the computers or laptops to do things. It'll also help students who are not very confident in speaking if they choose to use the smartboard, as this could be a little bit of motivation. Now I'll get into an example of an end product. The end product that I have chosen is to write a book using the application Book Creator. The country that I have chosen is Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea is an island located directly above Australia. Papua New Guinea is just south of the equator, which means it's in the southern hemisphere. Papua New Guinea is home to 8.6 million people. Papua New Guinea's climate is described as a tropical climate. The coastal towns average a temperature of 28 degrees. Inland and the mountain ranges average a temperature of 26 degrees, and the higher mountain ranges average a temperature of 23 degrees. Papua New Guinea is very humid and ranges between 70 and 90% of humidity throughout the year. In the book, I've included 2 photos on this page. One is of the coast, which is covered in mangrove swamps, and the second photo is sago palms, which cover inland and the riverbanks. The majority of people who live in Papua New Guinea are the original settlers of the island who speak Papuan languages, which is a group of languages spoken in Papua New Guinea and surrounding islands. Papua New Guinea was founded over 50,000 years ago. The island was known to Indonesian and Asian seafarers centuries before it was known to any Europeans. The flag represents different things. The red and black were the traditional colours used in native artwork, which is evident on the flag. The stars represent the Southern Cross, and the golden bird represents birds of paradise, which is a local tribal symbol. The currency used in Papua New Guinea is called kina. In relation to the Australian dollar, 1 kina is equivalent to 42 cents. To buy a 2-litre bottle of Coke in Papua New Guinea is 9 kina. This would work out roughly the same as what Australians would be. Papua New Guinea is home to about 700 species of bird, but the country is best known for its brilliantly coloured bird of paradise, which there is a photo included. It is also home to bats, tree kangaroos, forest wallabies, dolphins, and dugongs. Papua New Guinea is home to the world's largest butterfly, the Queen Alexandra birdwing, which has a wingspan of up to 30 centimetres. Again, a photo is included. That's the end of the book. Thank you for watching my MoveMaker project. I hope this helps with some teaching and ideas for lessons in the future.